Hi guys, and welcome back to our tutorial. Last time I left off, I just created a gun movement in JavaScript, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be creating the same script using C#. Let's get started. Click on your C# folder and create a new C# script. Rename this to gun movement C, short for C#. Open this in Develop. And this time I'm not going to be explaining what to do because by now we should know what to do. And if you don't know what the lines of codes are going to do in this script, I would recommend that you watch the JavaScript first and then move on to the C#. So let's define our variables needed. Public, type first, and we're going to call this move amount, and it's going to be equals to 1 for now. Public, float, move speed, and I'm just going to leave it as 2 for now. Public, game object, gun, public, move on X, float, move on X, public, float, move on Y, public, vector free, float, no, not float, sorry, default, default position, public, new, vector free, new gun pose, short for position, save that off, public, bool, on and off. It's going to be a set default value as false. And that's the variables we need. Go into the start function and type default position is equals to our transform dot local position. Save that. Before we do move on, let's just rename the script to the public class to what we named the script. So gun movement C. Save that. Let's go into Unity and drag your script onto the gun. I'm just going to turn the old script off. Okay. I'm going to drag the game object needed onto the variable that's open for us. Save your project. Go back into Develop. Right. Now let's start defining the movement. This is pretty much the same as in Java. They ain't much different. So move on X is equal to input dot get axes mouse X, and we're going to times that by time dot delta time and times that with amount. Now we're going to do the same for the axis. Move on X. Oops, Y equals input dot get axes, open bracket, mouse Y time dot delta time times by move amount. Save that. Now let's start defining the gun's new position. So new gun position equals new vector 3 and our first float is going to be our default X, so default position dot X plus that by move on X, comma default position dot Y plus mouse Y, mouse on X, Y, yeah. And as for the default Z, it's gonna stay the same, so default position dot C, and close your bracket, save it. Good, we've got the new position sorted out. Now we're going to apply this to the gun itself. So gun dot transform dot local position equals vector 3 dot lerp open bracket. It's going to ask for our first vector 3, which is going to be our gun transform. So gun dot transform dot local position, comma, and then what the new positions are going to be, which is a new gun pose. So new gun pose, there you go, comma, and then times it with the speed we want it to move in, so which is move speed times time dot delta time. I'll close your bracket, save it. Let's quickly go back into Unity, see if we get any error messages. Nope, we are all good. Run it. There we go. We've got the gun movement script working in C#. Now let's just add that on and off variable. So on the start function, I'm gonna set it as true. So on off equals true. Now we're gonna say if on and off is equals to true, do this. Else, if it's false, leave it in its default position. So on and off equals false. Then copy this line, paste underneath, and just change the new position to default position. Save it. Make sure the bracket's in the right place. Perfect. Go back to Unity. Run it. There we go. So if I switch it off, the gun movement stops. Perfect. Well done, guys. You just created your gun movement in C#. And quick announcement for guys that have been asking me, can you give me the link to the gun in your tutorials? Okay, just go to my website. If you want to find the link, go to one of my videos. It should have it in the description box. I'm not sure what the video is called. I think it's, what's that, announcement or something like that. Yeah, but if you click on that, you go to the home page and you'll see recent news. Just click on gun model and you'll have the gun image, and the price I've told is $20. I'll put the pound sign there. What an idiot. I'll change that. Just click on the link, it'll take you straight to Turbo Squid. and there's the gun. But I will be adding some free guns for you guys, for those who don't want to pay, but they will be textureless, so gotta find your own textures for those, I'm afraid. Yep, that's all actually. So yeah, thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Take care.